Hi everyone, I'm Mark with Sea Ray. Welcome to the 2025 SDX 250 Stern Drive. Join me as we go through the features of this lovely boat. Starting here at the transom, you notice a really wide swim platform, which is soft underfoot thanks to the SeaDek floor covering. Another great option people like to go with is the manual flip down swim step. It's easy to operate, flips down, and it's really convenient for being kind of in and out of the water. For easy boarding, you have a stainless steel telescopic ladder built into the deck here, and the lid acts as a grab handle as well, plus you have a stainless steel grab handle back here. For water sports, you have a tow point down here at the transom, which is standard, or you can go with the optional electric folding water sports tower with the bimini. As we make our way into the cockpit, there's lots of other convenient features as well, like this in-floor storage. It's a great place for stashing your dock lines. You can fit a fender in there or so. And you have gas assist struts for easy opening. There's also a walk-through transom door. If you've got little ones on board, you can shut that, keep them inside. Another thing I really like too is the SeaDek here on the side here. For easy boarding, you also have a boarding step to enter the cockpit if you have a taller dock. Here at the transom, you've got a sun pad that converts into a sun bed. This backrest that folds down. You can fold that back up. You also have stainless steel cup holders built into the back here, as well as USB charging. If you get the entertainment bundle, which upgrades your stereo, you also have a Fusion stereo remote here at the back. As we get into the cockpit, there's even more storage. Under here, you have lots of storage. Put your cover, extra life jacket packs, things like that. The power on this boat is a 300 horsepower Mercury 6.2 liter. Or you can option up to the 350 horsepower. Over here on the starboard side, you have a built-in cooler in the cockpit area. There's also a built-in cooler in the bow. Stainless steel grab handles throughout. Another thing I really like is these recesses behind the cushions under the seat backs. You have built-in cup holders. Again, with the entertainment bundle, you'll also get the inductive charging. This boat is all about convenience and convertibility. So on both the companion side and the helm side, you have backrests that adjust. That turns this into a real entertaining space in the cockpit, especially when you add the teak table for the cockpit, which comes with the comfort bundle. So we'll slide this back. So you have multiple positions for the helm seat, backrest for adjustability. Your forward-facing companion seat also has a bolster just like the helm. So if you want more visibility up over the windshield, you got it. Here at the helm, you have great visibility. You don't have any reflections on the windshield thanks to the vinyl wrap top piece here. You have adjustable tilt steering wheel. This boat comes standard with a single 9-inch Simrad NSX display, or you can opt for the dual 9-inch displays or the digital dash. You have your Mercury digital throttle and shift system with built-in active trim. There's a recess for phone or wallet or sunglasses here. You have a nice recessed footwell with great ergonomics. If you want more visibility, you can flip this up and you can see over the windshield just fine. Moving to the port side, you have your Fusion stereo control unit. You have drains built into the top here for water management, as well as a lockable glove box. Over here on the starboard side, you have a really deep head compartment. You can use that for storage. You can add a head to it, a sink, and faucet as well. There's even more storage here underneath. If you choose to get the comfort bundle, your teak tables and their bases will be stowed away in here in dedicated holders. There's also a bow block off. If you want to shut the windshield and block off the bow, this protects the cockpit area from the wind. Moving on into the bow, you have more recesses for if you want to put your phones. There's also stainless steel beverage holders, stainless steel grab bar for your passengers' comfort. There's storage under all these seats as well. I know I mentioned a built-in cooler in the cockpit area. There's also a built-in cooler in the bow. Under my feet is built-in floor storage. You'll have built-in floor storage in the cockpit area of the boat too. And up in the bow, you can equip this boat with a stainless steel boarding ladder, and it also comes with a built-in anchor locker. For full shade coverage, you can add an optional bow shade as well. And that about covers it for the SDX 250 stern drive. For more information or to find your local dealer, visit searay.com.